Hello my friends, today I'm going to install this Silver Project adjustable camber arms on my car. That's why I have already removed previously used camber arms which were also adjustable, and they were made by Speedway Motors. And if we compare these two camber arms to each other, here you can see that the difference is noticeable, and the Silver Project camber arm looks and feels way much more better compared to the Speedway Motors one. It is heavy duty and it is built better. Simply the quality here is better. And in conclusion, I can say that every element on the Silver Project camber arm is better compared to the Speedway Motors one. So guys, what I will reuse now, of course, the original bolts and nuts I have here. They are in good condition, still in good condition. I will clean them and then reuse them. I will torque them to the specific torque moment, and I have no worries to break or damage them. Both of them use 80mm nuts, and one is M12 spline head bolt, and the second is 90mm head bolt, which secures the camber arm to the chassis subframe of the car. So guys, I also will use this synthetic grease not to receive any squeaking noise during driving process. You know, this is polyurethane. Here the working process is in progress, and I want to check out that I have met the problem here, guys. It means that it is not possible to install this Silver Project adjustable camber arm on first step on your W210 because of the length of this head. I mean this, here you can see. Now I will grab my light and show you exactly what I mean. So let's grab the light and see detail. Here it is the mounting point. This is car subframe, and the distance here is shorter than the really length of this camber arm head. I mean that here we have problem with the sleeve, guys. The sleeve is longer and I have to shorten it to make sure that this fits inside the mounting bracket on the subframe. Otherwise it will not be possible to install this arm on the car. Now I will use file and will filing gently the sleeve to make it shorter, as I already mentioned. Otherwise this camber arm fits without any problem to my W210. So my friends, the working process is in progress once again, and I am now modifying this sleeve. Here it is the Speedway Motors camber arm. It is equipped with the short head, I mean this part, with shorter sleeve, and now I will grab the file and very gently will work with this part, not to damage any polyurethane element, but to file this metal sleeve and reach the length when it will be possible to install it on the car subframe. Here you can see how long it is. So my friends, this is the passenger side. I have mounted this camber arm on my car as I showed you on the previous episode. I installed this side at first, and I have filed the head of the sleeve of the inside camber arm head, and the outside one has not modified yet because the length of the sleeve and the length of the head is good, and it will fit on the wheel carrier without any modifications. So once again, the passenger side is installed now, and I tightened the bolts with 70 Newton meters, and everything is correct here. And my friends, at least I want to show you the rear driver side with the same modifications as I have done previously on the passenger side camber arm. It was enough easy to install it on my car. Once again, the Titan specification is 70 Newton meters inside and also 70 Newton meters here outside. If you use M12 bolt, if your bolt is M10, then 40 Newton meters, but just make sure to load the car, jet rear wheel, and then tight these 2 points with pressured suspension. Otherwise, these camber arms were fitted on my car without any major modifications, and I like this very much. I will share with you some kilometers later how they will perform overall. And the last mod which I still got to do here with my car suspension is to install the rear adjustable tow arms. I will show you now the original tow arm which are installed on my car, and they will be also upgraded with the Silver Project tow arms which I showed you on my previous videos. So guys, if you like this video, thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and catch you in the next episodes. Goodbye.